Do you know what enables the smooth relocation of items in factories? Do you know what makes automated sorting operate efficiently? Do you know what ensures the rapid transportation of luggage at airports? Do you know what enables the quick loading of goods at port terminals? It's the Linear Guide. Our linear guides are manufactured using top-grade materials and advanced techniques. They possess excellent wear resistance, significantly extending their service life. With an extremely low coefficient of friction, they operate smoothly and steadily, effectively reducing energy consumption. The high-precision manufacturing process ensures high repeatability of movement. The positioning accuracy can reach 0.1 millimeter. Meeting your stringent requirements for product accuracy, we can provide you with a full range of linear guides and also support customization. Welcome to contact us.